Guys, welcome to my channel. Pagluluto ako ngayon ng lobster. Make sure to clean carefully before cooking. It's a pre-cooked lobster from Nova Scotia, delivered to my house by a friend. It's super yummy and delicious, promise. These are the ingredients: 3 lobsters, garlic, ginger, onions, beans is optional, green pepper, and the seasoning. There. In a large pan, melt the butter first. There. Medyo matagal siyang na-melt pero ayoko naman i-cut yung video. Kaya ipagpatuloy ko na lang hanggang siya ma-melt. There, it's almost there. Add the garlic, onion, and ginger. Then this beans is only optional. Since I love vegetables, I add beans, but you don't have to do it. Then the oyster sauce. I love oyster sauce. Add the black pepper. Then the lobsters. There. Then I add magic syrup, oyster sauce, lemon, and honey. If you like to add wine, it is also good. Cook for at least 3 to 5 minutes. So it's just easy. It's already cooked and so delicious. So, ready to serve. That's all for now. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to click like, comment below, share if you like, and again, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye bye. See you next time.